Let me expect you this. How multiple times a day do you leave likes on YouTube, Facebook, or Twitter? The answer is possibly a lot. And in this tutorial I will show you a website that will certainly pay you for doing so. Leave a like on YouTube, get paid. Leave a like on Twitter, get paid. Leave a like on Facebook, get paid. There are people from all over the earth making big money online with this website, and they are all getting paid shortly through PayPal. And if you want to be one of these people, then you ought to keep watching, as I also have bonus websites to share with you to earn that much more money online with comfort. And with all of that announced, dudes, let's now finally get into the video. As you have all heard, today I will share with you a platform that will pay you for indeed leaving likes. And this is what really makes it so good. Leaving likes is something you all do on a daily basis, and so you wouldn't be expending your time, so to speak. You will merely be spending the same amount of time leaving likes, but you will actually get paid for doing so. How cool is that? Without further ado, here is the important website, and the main website that I will demonstrate you today. It's called Likes Planet. As its name suggests, on here you can of course get paid for merely leaving likes. To see how this all works, all you would require to do is click on how it works right up here, and on the following page you will see the way this website functions, so to speak. You will first sign up to the site. Unsurprisingly, you will then like and view pages, and you can then cash out. But you can also exchange the points you earned on this site from leaving likes for your own likes and subscribers on your YouTube channel, perhaps, maybe your Facebook page, and so on. So it's worth noting that you can exchange points for likes on other websites. An actually good feature if some of you happen to maybe have some page or whatever. For those of you who are perhaps a bit skeptical about this site and whether or not it's legit, I motivate you to scroll down to the bottom of this website, and then click on payment proofs here. On the next page you will be able to see exactly what I've indicated you in the intro prior. There are people from all over the world getting paid with this website, and they are getting paid in PayPal. So yes, this site offers PayPal, and I know many of you will be happy about that. On this very page you can also see the total amount of money paid out, which is over $18,400 thus far. Now do keep in mind, dudes, that you won't be receiving like thousands of dollars from this website. I always mention this in my videos just so you get your expectations straight. Don't expect to earn like hundreds of dollars from this platform by leaving likes. It doesn't work like that. You will rather be earning a few dollars here and there, as all of these people are, but that is still tremendous nonetheless, and it's not a low amount of money for a site like this because you are not doing anything hard, and as I announced before, you are doing something you already do on a daily basis. To start making money with this site, what you have to do is click on the register button right here first. On the following page, just type in your username, email address, retype the same email, type your password, retype the password, leave this referral box empty since nobody referred you to the site, and lastly type in the numbers you will see here, and then click on register below to establish your new account. Before you can start making money with the website, I will need you guys to head over to your Gmail account and find a message from Likes Planet that will look something like this. Note that if you cannot see it in your typical inbox, it's likely in your spam section, so be sure to check there. Either way, when you open up the message, you wanna now click right here to confirm your email so you can really start making money with the website. And with that done, you can start getting paid by leaving likes with this site, and this is also how everything will look like on the platform when you actually log in. Before I exhibit you how to get paid by leaving those likes, it's noteworthy that they offer an incredible referral program giving you 50% commissions, which is really rare to say the least, and you will earn even more money per active referral, meaning that if someone you refer to here is using the website annually. With that said, let me show you how to get paid for leaving those likes. What you need to do is as follows. Hover your mouse over Earn Points, Money right here, and then select on what platform you will want to leave likes. I will go with YouTube as an example. All I wish to do from here is hover my mouse over YouTube, and then click on Video Likes here. On the successive page I will see all of these videos I can like to get paid. I will now go ahead and click on the like button here, and it will take me to the video in question. I will like the video, close the tab, and when I come back to Likes Planet. I should get a notification that I got paid, and as you can see, I did indeed get paid for leaving a like on that video, and this is basically how this works dudes for all of the other platforms. What I did now you will do if you wanna leave likes on Facebook posts, Twitter posts, and so on. And before we proceed, it's noteworthy that you will also get a 200-point bonus on this website when you log into it, which is a really incredible feature because it means you will earn some money even if you didn't leave a single like to begin with. Once you have earned a reasonable amount of money, all you would need to do from there to withdraw it is first click on Cash Out here. On this page you now just have to scroll down a bit until you come across this section. Then type in the amount you want to withdraw, select your payment techniques, which is of course PayPal, and click on Request Cash Out to get paid. And just a side note, you need at least $2 made in order to be able to cash out. It's a bit annoying, I know, but it's not a ton of money, so it shouldn't present too much of an issue at all. And with all of that announced, dudes, we've now reached the premium website I have for you today, and it's this one right here called Zoombucks.com. This platform, unlike the last, will not pay you for leaving likes, but it's a lot more diverse with more options, so I would recommend trying it out. As you can see on the home page here, this website will pay you for conducting surveys, watching videos, and doing certain offers. And as many of you can guess, I would highly recommend watching the videos with this website to get paid. It's fun, it's effortless since you don't actually have to do anything, and most honorably of all, you can do whatever you want to while the video is playing, meaning that you don't have to watch it per se to get paid. If you scroll down on the home page here, you will see that this website offers a quantity of payment options for you to choose from. You have gift cards from a ton of numerous companies, but if you click on See All Rewards here, you will be able to see on the next page that yes, you can get paid via PayPal on this website, so not just gift cards. To start making money on this website, all you would require to do is sign up by entering in all of your info in these boxes here, and then clicking on Sign Up Now below. Or you can just connect your Facebook or Google accounts with this site and sign up that way. Either way, you'll be able to make some decent amount of money doing various tasks, and I would suggest combining the site with the previous one for ultimate results. And with that announced, if you is the lover of similar content like this, take a look at my distinct videos, and if you love it, please break the like button and make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the notification horn. Catch sight of you in successive video.